Are you ready to take control of your financial future but don't know where to start? Investing might seem intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about how to invest as a beginner in 2025. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, build wealth, or simply make your money work for you, this guide is packed with actionable steps to help you succeed. Stick around. This could be the most important hour you spend for your financial future. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understand the basics of investing. Before diving into the world of investing, it's crucial to understand what investing is. At its core, investing is putting your money into assets with the expectation of earning a return. These assets can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. The key word here is financial literacy. Learn the basic terms like risk, return, diversification, and compound interest. This knowledge will be your foundation. Step 2. Set your financial goals. What do you want to achieve through investing? Are you saving for retirement, a house, or just building a safety net? Having clear goals helps determine your investment strategy. Short-term goals may focus on low-risk investments, while long-term goals might lean towards high-growth opportunities. Remember, the more specific your goals, the easier it is to create a roadmap. Step 3. Create a budget for investing. It's important to invest only what you can afford. Start by reviewing your income and expenses. Use budgeting tools to identify how much you can allocate toward investments each month. A good rule of thumb is to invest at least 10 to 15% of your income, but even small amounts can grow over time thanks to compound interest. Step 4. Choose the right investment account. Begin with the right type of investment account based on your needs. If you're saving for retirement, consider accounts like IRAs or 401ks. For general investing, brokerage accounts work well. Make sure to research the fees, services, and benefits of different platforms. In 2025, apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Vanguard make it easy to get started. Step 5. Diversify your investments. One of the golden rules of investing is diversification. Don't put all your money into one stock or asset. Spread your investments across various sectors and asset classes to reduce risk. For beginners, index funds and ETFs are excellent options, as they provide instant diversification. Step 6. Start small and be consistent. You don't need a fortune to begin investing. Start with as little as $100 and grow from there. The key word here is consistency. Invest regularly, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Automated investment plans can help ensure you stay disciplined. Step 7. Understand and manage risk. All investments carry some level of risk. The key is to understand your risk tolerance. How much risk you're comfortable with. Younger investors can usually afford higher risks, as they have time to recover from losses. Use tools like risk assessment calculators to guide your decisions. Step 8. Research and analyze investments. Always do your homework before investing. For stocks, look at company fundamentals like revenue, profit margins, and market trends. For mutual funds and ETFs, examine expense ratios and historical performance. Stay informed about economic and industry news to make well-informed choices. Step 9. Monitor your portfolio. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Rebalance your investments annually to maintain the right asset mix. This is especially important as markets and personal circumstances change. Step 10. Stay patient and think long-term. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. Avoid the temptation to chase quick gains or panic during market downturns. Stick to your plan and trust the power of compound interest and market growth. Patience is one of the most valuable traits for an investor. Congratulations! You now have a complete roadmap to start investing in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to begin their investing journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, at Wealthwise Guide, for more practical tips on building wealth. Let's make 2025 the year we take control of our financial futures together.